Finally back at the Nike outlets. Got here 10 minutes after they opened. Oh, my bad. 8 minutes or 9 minutes after they opened. 30% off the back wall. Woke up late this morning. So mad I got here late. This might be the worst time to come, to be honest. I'm checking the women's bigger section, see if they have any steals. Extended size pricing on these bad boys right here. $35 for Pegasus Trails. Not seeing any other running shoes on sale though. I'm back in the men's section, checking out size 9s and 10s. Find some refurb LeBrons right here. $90, 30% off. Been seeing these, I think I've been seeing these at Chic for a little bit cheaper. Got Luna Roams, $60. Multiple colorways, $60, 30% off. That is a hell of a deal. This makes absolutely no sense. That makes no sense. Have these been selling like that? The B grade Air Max 90s, $78 for these Air Max 90 refurbs right here. Cyber Smoke Gray. P6000's going for way too much. I think got some Vomero, refurb Vomeros, $80. So $56 for these Vomeros right here. These are gently worn. SE Jordan 1s. Right here, 90. I was like, oh, we saw this last week. I guess they haven't found those, aren't the Zoom Flies. Actually, 2 weeks ago I saw that. Oh, that P6000 earlier, probably not marked. It's $100. $100 for the Air Max, or the Jordan 1s right here. Another one of these, same price. All right, not much craziness. You did get 40% off apparel. What color? I probably could fit a medium. I think I could definitely fit a medium. And that's the only tech fleece available. Price so reasonably. $115 for these. What the hell? Oh, this is tech fleece too. $115. Everything else. Oh, is this tech fleece? Oh, my bad. I guess I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. $75 for that one. Oh, that's a women's. And everything else regular fleece. 40% off graphic tees as usual. This one's normally $65. What the hell? Oh, it's Nike running. Nike running always so freaking expensive, but yeah, 40 off. Gotta check this one, I guess. 40% off. This is $30 for this one. That other one's this one's a little more yellowish, and it's longer as well. And obviously these aren't tech fleece, but I kind of like this color a little better. Got a sports bra in the guys section. It's like this. Oh, this is the tech fleece in a small right here. So they got smalls as well. We got running shorts, which I don't care how much of a runner I become. I don't think I'll ever wear running shorts. I just wear my regular basketball shorts when I go running. But yeah, these come out to $32. I don't know about the hue though. I don't know. Could wear it with a white shirt or white tank top, right? Oh, and we're seeing a million of them over here now. They got them in large as well. It's the cheapest tech shorts or tech fleece shorts I've seen in a while. Swimming trunks right here, $18, and you get another 40 off. So that pretty much comes up to $10, right? This is Tech Pack pants right here, $65. Back to the aisles. The tech fleece though. Tech fleece. Knocking out the smaller sizes. $65 for the Lucas. GT jumps right here. 7.5. $135. Jaw ones. $50. Not much in the smaller sizes. The next Genesis right here. $110. Moving up to the bigger sizes. I am thinking about these right here. Not my size though. Not perfect for my size. Size 11. I think these go down to $40-something. $40-something, $65. $90 for the mids. More of these Lucas, $65 right here. That's gently worn. Patent leather mids right here, $90. I see extended size price tag on this one. What they talk about? They talk $85. If this was like really cheap, I was gonna get it, but nah, not that price. Got ones right here, $120. I don't know why they're using the extended size pricing on some of these. $100 for those. More of these going for 90, as well as these right here. Nothing crazy for big feet gang. Let's knock out the aisles and then we'll finish up the clearance apparel. This is the Team J section over here. Got some cleats right here. Alpha Menace Pros, Vapor 15 Academies, Superfly 9s. Dude, got some Kobe's right here. It is Kobe Day, so did they come out with some of these? I did check the back counter or the front counter. I did check the front counter. They didn't have anything, but they got at least one of these. I guess they're back to doing releases here as well, or is this a return? I don't know. But they do got a DS size 9 of the Shatter Backboard ones, and LeBron 22s, 21s. Kind of like that one right there. Next gens. I guess that's like his mid-tier signature, because they got the budget signatures right here, which are the Witness 7s, Ja 2s. Got some lows. Jordan 1 High OG, UNC Reimagines, and they don't have many of them. They don't have many, and more Team J's. Got some Air Max 2017s. Got some Shocks TLs, and then tons and tons of generics, even in the running section over here. Oh wait, they got Metcons. Then a plethora of free Metcon 5s. Then they do have some Vaporfly Next Percents. Am I gonna have to get one of these eventually? Am I gonna have to get one? These are the third gens right here. I did run, what I ran, like 38 miles this week, or this past week. I don't know. Okay, we're over at the women's clearance section over here. Got some Asia ones in the regular sizes, size 9 right here. 30 off, not bad. These Dunks, I feel like these Dunk 85s have been here forever. Months and months and months. These refurbs down to $70. That is a size 7.5 women's. I guess this Turbo Next Nature 75. Size 9 Air Max 90 double bubbles, $90. Got mids down here, 99.99. Pegasus Trail 4s going for $180. What the hell is that? I don't even think the retail price is that high, no? I have a feeling that's supposed to be $80. Vaporfly Next Percent 3s, $180, but just smaller sizes. Gotta check the bigger sizes one last time, and nothing really, dang it. All right, let's knock out the aisles. Dude, got some doves. By some, I mean a ton. I feel like these have been here forever. Every outlet got these. Ironstone Anthracite colorway. Got Blazers. Price keeps going down for these. Awful debuts. Of course, Air Max 270s. Barely got size of these, even though they're regular price. Air Max DNs. This one has like a little hint of red and pink on it. Omero 5s. 3 different colorways. Gray one right here looks pretty dope. Then Duke got free Metcon 6s right here. Vaporfly Next Percent 4s. Then Invincible Run 3 Flyknits right here. There was a big crowd over here earlier checking out the clearance apparel, so that's kind of why I just moved on to the women's. Duke got Charger 75, dang it. Jordan XL hoodie $34. SC 75. 4XL Kobe Mamba jersey $63. You get 40 off on top. If that fits you, that's what's up. ACG hoodie right here. And we all know ACG usually goes for way too much. Double XL, so it just falls right off the small hanger, $85. Jordan's just staring at you right there, $35. Tech Pack windbreaker jacket, $70. Whoa, look at this, $175 for this jacket. Is it denim? No, it's not denim, it's canvas, my bad. Canvas jacket, $175. All right, Tech Fleece, definitely the biggest steal here, especially at like $32, something like that. Did I miss out because I came here late? Did I miss out because it's Sunday? I don't know. Hey, I just realized they have a Kobe 3 display right here. That is the Kobe 3s. They were widely available. I think they're still available on sneakers. But yeah, that is the Kobe 3. I'm good with these. If I had all the Halos, maybe, but I didn't get any of them, so good, but pretty dope display. And there is a Ross next door. Is it me or have we seen a lot of these lately? But yeah, like a Michigan colorway jacket, or is it a pullover? Yeah, pullover, normally 85, and these are marked down to 18 bucks. These are mediums. Adidas hoodies right here. These are smalls, 22. Medium LSU t-shirt, 5 bucks. More of the same in the bigger sizes. Yeah, still not crazy. Still not crazy. Is this Tech Fleece? Is this Nike Tech Fleece here? Yeah, man, this is Nike Tech Fleece. Normally $125. This is a double XL, $30. So we're starting to see Tech Fleece. That's pretty crazy. That is the only Tech Fleece I found though. All right, let's move on to the sneakers, where they do got some 6 rings for $47. These look like a grade school. More of these Bondis and pretty awful colorway, 100 bucks. I was hoping these were some vapor flies, but no, they got some street flies, and these sizes are huge. This is a huge size right here. But yeah, $34, 34 bucks. I haven't seen these in forever. Phantom React Flyknit, $60. Got some Cosmic Unity, $60 bucks as well. Some grade school GT Jump 3s. These are size 7. And the bigger section right here, 35 bucks. KDs right here, $70. Team J's down here, one of the Max R's going for 70. Bigger sizes, that's it though, man, that's it. Moving over to the women's sneaker section, where I see some Gamma Forces in a bigger size, 65. Some Hokas with all kinds of flowers on them, marked down to $70. It's like leather. I haven't seen too many of those. That's interesting. It's like a Clifton leather or something. Of course, still got plenty of these Hoka slides right here. They're being marked down to $12 now. We got some mids down here, $70 for these bad boys. 9.5 for women's, 35 for grade school MBs right there. Not too crazy, not too crazy. And I have been looking for water bottles. I see a bunch of tumblers here, but I don't see actually any bottles. This one was big enough. This one would be perfect, but not big enough. 40 ounces not big enough. I guess that's it, you guys. Yes, that's it. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, all that good stuff. Just finished the little run. I only ran 2 miles today, man. I'm mad at myself because timing didn't work. I had to edit a YouTube video. Now I'm going to pick up my kid from a little event that he went to, but only ran 2 miles today. I came out to 38 miles this week. 38 miles in 7 days. I didn't take any days off. My legs are burning. My legs are dying. I wanted to do a, what the hell do they call it? I think they call it a speed run. I wanted to try to up the pace, but my legs are dying. My legs are so sore. First week of running every day, did 38 miles. I guess next week I'll have something to aim for. I'll aim for 40 miles. So did all that, hit the gym 3 times this week. Calorie deficit, I think I averaged like 1450 calories all week. Today I was a little bit high. I think I did like 1600 calories. That's the most calories I've had, I think, in 2 weeks or something like that. But yeah, that's how I'm losing weight, guys. That's how I'm losing weight. And why am I running so much? Because yeah, I was doing the weights and my calories were low. My calories were down to like 1200, and I wasn't losing that much. So I was like, I need to crank it up. I saw these fools online doing all this David Goggins type of crap. That fool's an ultra marathon runner. He has like a crazy workout routine where he just runs like crazy. And I'm like, if he could do it, if everybody else can do it, I'm like, why can't I do almost like just this much compared to them, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I'm starting to run. I'm running regularly. 6 miles a day is kind of what I average this week. Like I said, today I did 2 miles. One day I did 4 miles. One day I did 8 miles. But most of the other days I did 6 miles. And I think the weight's dropping. I don't know. There's a lot of water weight and stuff. So I don't know. I should have lost minimum of 2 pounds this week because doing all the math of how many calories I burned and how many whatever. So yeah, I'm cranking it up. If I need to, I'll run even more, hit the weights even more. I'm trying to get to 15% body fat. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but yeah, everybody, you guys can do it, man. You guys can do it. If I could do it, all these other fools on YouTube could do it. That's kind of what motivated me. I'm like, I see all these other fools doing it. Why can't I do it? Why can't I? Why can't I? And I've just made excuses. My legs, they've been burning all week, but you just do it. You just do it. My times aren't fast, but you just do it. It is what it is. So yeah, go out there, make yourself a little bit better every day. Just a tiny bit. Make yourself stronger. Make yourself work on your willpower. Do something to better your life every day. That's what I'm doing.